Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a vintage Hong Kong style photo shoot using AI. So I'm just going to paste this prompt. Again, I will put the prompt in the description box down below as per usual. Grab your picture and then you're just going to press submit here. And it's going to look super cute. Just waiting for this to generate. And this is what it should look like. Super cute, super retro, and super aesthetic. I don't know. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!